Here we are going to discuss about the working of heart. You can see the four chambers of the heart. This one is right part of the heart and this is called as the left part of the heart. The right part of the heart is called as the impure part as it carry the impure deoxygenated blood, whereas the left part of the heart is called as the pure part, it carry the oxygenated blood. Here you can see the right auricle. This right auricle or atrium is having two inlets, two pipeline. This thick pipeline is called as vena cava. Upper is the superior vena cava and lower is the inferior vena cava. Superior vena cava brings the impure blood from the upper part of the body, whereas the inferior vena cava bring the impure blood from the lower part of the body. And this impure blood is just supplied to the right auricle, and the right auricle is fully saturated with this impure blood, whereas in the left part, in left atrium, it get the supply of pure blood by means of the four inlets called as pulmonary vein. This pulmonary vein bring the blood, or it get the supply of pure blood from the arteries from lungs. So here left auricle is now saturated with the pure blood. When these two auricle gets saturated by respective blood, then during contraction the right atrium pushes the blood into the right ventricle by means of three-walled, that one is called as tricuspid valve. And here left auricle or artery pushes the pure blood into left ventricle by means of two valve guarded, that one is called as bicuspid valve, or it is also called as the mitral valve. You will get the differentiation point tricuspid valve and differentiate between tricuspid valve and mitral valve. So don't get confused, this mitral valve is only called to the bicuspid valve. Now here when the ventricles get saturated by means of respective blood, right ventricle by means of the impure blood, whereas the left ventricle by means of the pure blood. And when this heart contract, when the ventricle contract, this impure blood from right ventricle pushes into this pulmonary artery. Okay, this tube like structure which get bifurcated into two branch is called as pulmonary artery, whereas the pure blood from the left ventricle pushes into this thick tube-like structure which is having four outlet called as aorta. So the respective blood reaches into the respective tube, and here the impure blood by means of the pulmonary artery, it is supplied to the lung for its purification. And the left ventricle which pushes the pure blood into aorta, and by means of this four branchial artery the blood pure blood is supplied to the arteries, and from arteries it is supplied to the different cells, organs, tissues. In this way this heart pump the blood, and here we had finished working of heart.